All of us are very familiar with the concept of brand ambassadors. Basically, brands बड़े बड़े celebrities को पैसे देता है उनका product endorse करने के लिए. But in majority of the cases, the famous person just acts as a mannequin. Mannequin in the sense कि मतलब वो बस इसलिए कर रहे हैं product को showcase क्योंकि उनको पैसा मिला है. बाकी उनको कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता product या brand से. But that is not the case for SRK and Tag Heuer. Shah Rukh Khan, who is the brand ambassador of Tag, said this in 2015 in a ceremony to celebrate the brand's new Don't Crack Under Pressure campaign. So this is what he said in the interview, and all of this will justify me saying that he's not just a mannequin for the brand. The almost 12 years association with the brand has been fantastic. It's been like family with them. The tagline is not just to sound cool, but I'm also impressed with the ideology. Most people succeed in their times, but very few people succeed in changing their times, Shah Rukh Khan said. So this itself shows कि मतलब he actually likes the campaign, he actually likes working for them, and he literally said कि it's like family with them. So you can see how much of a close-knit relationship SRK and Tag share. In another interview about his watch collection, he said, "In my teenage years, I remember the hero wearing Tag watches in James Hadley Chase novels. Even though I couldn't pronounce it, it was one of the few things I wanted to own. Then, in the 90s, I bought a Tag Link model while on a shoot in New York. It gave me a sense of pride because I earned it, and even got a discount because the salesman was Indian. Tag has always made me look classy. It's important to choose watches that add on to one's grit, grace, and sense of style." The thing that he said that in his teenage years he, used to see a watch that he wanted to own, that's how it starts for every watch collector. I myself saw a watch that both Osama and Obama had, and I wanted to own it. And that's how it just, kept on going. So really a true watch collector type thing. Plus the thing that he said that you should know about your preference of watches, like the grit, grace and style. That is very important. I feel like people sometimes forget, in between the many options to choose from, they usually forget ki it should look good on their wrist also, not just from afar. So that is also another great point by SRK. He also says, "I am a sportsman at heart." So aside from appreciating the technical brilliance that goes into making luxury Swiss watches, I enjoy timepieces that are sporty in their design and features and can still be worn casually. Gold is a little too snazzy for me. Silver looks classy and cool and suits my simple watch wearing tastes better. Spoken like a very good watch collector, I really like how he has his set preferences and he knows what he wants. And that is why Tag is such a good brand for him, because he himself said that he likes, sportier watches and not such dressy watches, but watches that can also be worn casually, and I feel like Tag does make a lot of those. An all-time favorite is the Tiger Woods Link limited edition with an elegant Lincoln S-shaped metal bracelet. Intriguingly, this is supposed to be worn on the wrong hand. Speaking of sports, the Formula One inspired watches are also novel creations. The race is a great thing to have happened to our country, and watches like the Carrera Indian Racing with green and saffron motifs on its dial puts us on the map. I am so glad that I read this, article for this video, because I just now found out about the Carrera India Racing watch, and it is truly a beautiful piece. And he could not have been more right about the orange and green motifs, because obviously aankh pehle udhar hi jati hai being an Indian. So yes, truly a beautiful watch. Another favorite is the Carrera 16-day date chronograph, which has an open flange design with tasteful red accents. If you have a metal bond with it, you can wear it both with suits or t-shirt and jeans. In fact, you don't need two watches. The trick is to find one watch that works everywhere. The square-shaped Monaco 69 is also a keeper. It has a dual digital/analog interface that's eye-catchy. Finally, once you've achieved everything in life, get the Monaco V4 chronograph. It runs on the transmission of a fan belt and is considered one of the most important watch inventions of the 21st century. He is once again counting one of those watches in his favorites that he can wear both casually and a little bit, formally also. He does have a good choice in watches. I mean, obviously versatile होनी चाहिए कुछ watches जो आप कहीं भी पहन सको, वरना तो ऐसे एक outfit के लिए एक ही रखनी पड़ेगी तो वो प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगी. Though I wouldn't mind having that. But still, yes, having a versatile watch is very important, which you can wear anywhere, which you can dress up or dress down with. So good choice there once again. And all of this just shows that SRK is a person who really likes his watches and he knows exactly how he likes them. Plus the thing, again, dressing up, dressing down, Tag does that really well. This was a partnership meant to be. SRK already loved Tag ki watches and Tag did not miss an opportunity to make him the face of their brand in India. And yes, he has worn tags in many films of his like Mehuna, Swades and Indon. And in Dawn, he wore the Monaco 69. Getting to that watch, I really like it. The Monaco 69 was a watch that he specially endorsed for his film Dawn. The 69 refers to 1969, the debut of the original Monaco. But this watch is also reversible, and so it is a happy, funny coincidence. And I found countless interviews about SRK talking about this watch, but there are no written articles or anything as such. So this is what I got from the interviews. Basically, Monaco 69 is a reversible watch, meaning that it has two faces. In this case, one is analog and the other is digital, which reinforces the idea that this watch can be used to dress up with the analog face or dress down, casually with the digital face. Now, the idea of a reversible watch is very common, but the execution is very difficult, and Tag has done great at this execution. The most popular reversible watches are made by JLC. God, this is difficult to pronounce. Jaeger-LeCoultre, but Tag also does this very well. The mechanisms in both the watches are very different. You can visually see the difference. The Tag involves a lot of lug movement and it also gives a lot of space between the sides and the case ताकि scratches ना आए. And to prevent further scratches, एक rubber दिया हुआ है just in case anything happens. Whereas JLC की watches में it is kind of like a sliding mechanism. उसमें lugs इतने ज़्यादा involved नहीं है. But I really like the Tag ka watch because first of all, the concept of reversible watches is really fun, okay? You get to have two watches in one and also, just you feel so sci-fi shifting your watch face and such. So yes, this watch is reversible, so it already has that added feature of also being a digital watch while being an analog watch. But even in the digital watch, it has even more features, like it has the best lap memory system, it has a split-second chronograph, but it also has a second time zone, and it also has an alarm function and a backlight. So it's a full-fledged digital watch. It's not just a digital display. You also get the features of a digital watch, which is insanely cool. I can see why SRK has such a liking for the brand Tag Heuer. और कोई एवे सी बैकलाइट नहीं है, like जैसे कोई F91 की नहीं है वो. It is a proper backlight and the numbers are visible. The Monaco 69 is not just like any Tag watch. It is not like any other watch also. In 2005, this watch also won the Le Grand Prix de Genève Award, which is like an Oscar in the world of watchmaking. So I basically just made this video to show this beautiful relationship and also a rare relationship between a celebrity who actually likes to endorse a brand and not just for the money. This was a very meant to be kind of relationship between SRK and Tag. I mean, come on, the way he talks about those watches, calls them family, it's just really delightful to see. Other than that, the Monaco 69 itself is like a piece of art. It is such a beautiful and interesting watch, something which I would love and be privileged to own one day. So that was the video. Thank you so much for watching and stay tuned for more.